Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to indent first line of paragraph word. To begin, open your Word document. There you place the cursor in the paragraph. Then, being in the Home menu, click on Increase Indent located in paragraph. You will see the change in the appearance of the paragraph. Now to use it on the first line, click on Paragraph Settings. There in Indentation, you are going to display the special option, and here click on the first line. When you click OK, you will see the indentation on the first line only in your document. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.